you do? Good. All right, now you gotta ask. I gotta ask one question. Did you make it through? Hey, he didn't even try it. Pussy. Switch over to the phone. Come back. Earl! Hey, Earl! You still look like a f***it. I said, Earl, you still look like a f***it. Yep. Get out of the way. F***ing blocking traffic. Oh, they're gone now. Yep. Sorry, bud. I didn't touch your seat. There they are. Wow, you got lucky. Wow. That's why I don't wear... You're not supposed to brush off the Oakleys with a fucking dirty cloth. One, you're not supposed to wear Oakleys on the trail. You know where my Oakleys are right now? In my camper.
What good are they doing today?
I have a cheap pair of sunglasses that I don't need.
You got it.
Well, I don't got it. I'm poor. Broke. There's all my money.
You'll have that.
What you doing? You got a perfectly good mud hole right here,
I'm not doing that shit.
and you pass it? I did. I came right through. You didn't see it? Hey! Quit fucking hitting my four-wheeler! Get up the trail. Get up. Get going. Look at it. Derek, you're getting all muddy. You got it. Give her the beans. Give her the beans. Give her the beans. Amateur hour. Huh? Low? Hey, are you in low?
Yeah.
Here.
I'll get low.
Oh, well, yeah, you're better right here. Get the winch.
Hands off, it's going in or out. Grab it.
Hit it again. It's going in. Oh, that's going in.
Roll down. Get it?
Yeah. Mama.
Sorry, man. Let's try it.
Gotta get on my... Oh. You should have came in at this angle. You want to pull up further and back up into here? Probably be better. He's not going to tip as much that way. Because you're going to want to pull him as close this way as possible. You pull him the other way, he's going to tip. Pull up a little bit. There you go. Got her. All right, whoa, 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 whoa. Back it up. I think you're on the rope. Never mind, I think you're good.
Great idea.
It worked out perfect for you. Oh. Hold up, hold up. Go ahead. And a little more, good. This is designed for the golf course. Surprisingly, you've made it this far. Guaranteed.